Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. What if I told you I built a tool that pulls hundreds of data or business lead names, right addresses, phone numbers, and also email from Google Maps in under 5 minutes, and run the whole thing, not actually 5 minutes if you're going to run this, it will just take a few seconds probably, or probably, yeah, probably 2 minutes. All right. No spreadsheet, right? And no Zapier, no Make, right? No paying $80 a month for some scraping service. Watch this. But before I show you, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. I'm building tools like this every week and giving away for free. If you're going to comment down below, okay? You're gonna want to see what's next, okay? Now this lead scout, I built it myself in Python, deployed in the cloud, and the entire interface is mobile first. If you notice in the what you call this in this Visual Code Studio, as you can see here, the this what you call this code, or this whole file directory has been deployed to render. All right, and the Docker file will going to be read first by the render deployment, and then it's just an easy deployment. You just have to click on next, next. You don't have to you don't need to configure something on. There's no special configuration. You just have to upload it to. Well, the only special about this, you have to upload it on GitHub, and then connect your render to GitHub, and that's all. It will going to look the repository from GitHub, and then I mean just an easy task once it's detected the repository, okay? And yeah, this process. I mean, you can prospect a client while in a line at Starbucks, or it runs Google Maps in the background, hits every listing for every query you give, pulls every piece of contact data. I mean, everything that you wanted in the in any kind of data, okay? And export the whole thing to CSV. You can drop straight into the CRM or your cold email tool. Let me show you exactly how it does, okay? Now I'm going to search for dental office. Let's see dental office first, okay? All right, I'm going to put this dental office, right? And then, yeah, the location in Austin, Texas. Let's say put the whole word Texas, okay? And then we need something like 50, let's say, okay? And yeah, we're going to, now those are the only thing that you need to type in, okay? And then you have to click on Scout or tap Scout, okay? And we're off. The progress bar, as you can see here, right, shows you everything in real time, how many listing it's gonna found or gonna find, how many it processed, how many emails it pulled, and how many it skipped because they had no contact info worth grabbing, okay? You will see it here. As you can see, it's found 7, 21, and then here's what's happening right now. Behind the scene, the scraper is loading Google Maps, scrolling through the result panel and grabbing every single listing in the area. For each one, it pulls the business name, the full address, phone number, the website, the star rating, the review count, and the category. Then this is the part most scrapers don't do. It visits each business's actual website. It crawls the web page, okay, the contact page, the about page. It hunts for email addresses. So you're not just getting phone numbers, you're getting couple of outreach packet, for every single leads. Okay, so you see I can pause, right? There's a pause button here, and then whenever you want to pause, just pause it. Okay, the data are already collected, right? Just you have to stay I mean wait for a few minutes, and it will just going to keep on loading here on the bottom portion of the screen. Okay, you can see it trying to fetch the information from austindentalworks.com. All right, so as you can see here, it's trying to load or one by one, it's showing up the data. All right, 38th Street Dental, right? Again, you can stop it if you want to stop the scraping, right? So this matters because Google Maps queries can return hundreds of results. Depends how many data you need. You have to type in there, you have to drag and or you have to if you want to all the results to be scraped, it's up to you. Then there's no limit. And this is the part that used to take me an entire afternoon manually copy pasting business names, manually clicking each website, manually finding the contact page. Like for instance, you go to Google Maps, right? And hold on, let's say Google Maps, right? And then you go to Maps and then try, for instance, dentist office in Austin, Texas. And then you have to copy and paste it, right? As you can see here, 38th Street Dental, Austin Dental Works, they are all coming in. Okay, as you can see here, right? So we have something like how many of this? I think we already have 10 scrape, 4 with emails, right? So there's I mean once you are done scraping, right? It's already complete. All the 48 data or 48 pound or scrape have already been scraped. You can click on the export CSV, so it exported to a CSV file, and then yeah, every business name, every address, every phone number, every email, every website ready to import into your HubSpot, your GHL, instantly, Smartlead, whatever you use for outreach. This one query just gave me a complete list of qualified dental practice in Austin, Texas with real data, contact data, cold email day off, cold call same afternoon, show up at their door tomorrow if you want, okay? And here's the bottom line. Lead generation service charge you probably 150, 200 bucks per month, okay? For this exact functionality. Apollo, ZoomInfo, Lusha, they all gate this behind expensive subscription and credit limits. I built mine. It runs in the cloud. It works from any phone. There's no credit limit. There's no monthly fee, and the data quality is honestly better than half of the paid tools. I've tested it because Google Map is the source of truth for local businesses. If you want to see how I built this, I'm going to drop the code right in the comment section because already put this in my my GitHub. I'm going to put that in my GitHub. It's up to you if you want to put it in your render or if you want to host it in a cloud. And but please, before you download the whole thing in your computer, the Python code, the deployment setup, the mobile UI, all of it. So smash that subscribe button first, okay, right now, so you don't miss any kind of technology or scraping apps. Drop a comment telling me what industry you point this at first. I'm reading every single one. I see you in the next. I'll see you in the next video.